one of the things that's unique about Waze is the fact that it really is built by people, managed by people. Everybody feels it's theirs. They feel a personal ownership on Waze. It's also, because it's social and open, people have very strong emotions about it. And that, I think, is our biggest success. Being able to build something that people care about. And believe me, when the service goes down, I get threats to my email, and people call me up and yell at me and whatever. But that's good. It means they care. And I think a lot of people today who join the service don't even know there's a community behind the scenes that's making it happen. And that's the fact that we can reach that point where people think it's just an application like Google Maps is really the strength of the community. So our goal is to save people time. We're focused on driving right now. We've expanded that mission to save people money. So we find the cheapest gas and try and allow people different options how to save money on gas, both by driving less and by finding a cheaper gas station. We will be expanding it more towards walking and into locations and things like that. And more of our advertising platform is going to be about finding deals. So I'd like to be able to tell you where there are deals around you as well.
Yeah, what way to?
So I think when it comes to mobile, there are two things that are critical. One is that the advertising models have not been built yet, so everyone's right? Nobody knows. Second thing is that the screen is small and the use case is specific. We use apps for very, very specific use cases. It's not like a browser that you use it for everything. Within that use case, advertising has to provide value, or at least not be intrusive, for that use case. So I'm a big believer that banners are just wrong for mobile. I think mobile advertising is going to be much harder because you're not going to have networks to distribute. At the same time, the actual advertising has become closer and closer to content. It has to be really baked into the application itself. And that should be the way we think about advertising. So localization is interesting. Our app is we have people in 110 countries building maps and using Waze. The community actually translates it. So we're translated to like 35 different languages. The community does QA and tests the app. And there are people in every country who volunteer to test the app on different operating systems. And so the only way we can scale and compete with companies like Google and Microsoft is by having hundreds of thousands of people engage and work with us, having millions of people use the app itself. And that's really, I think, the only way a small company can compete head-on with the major platforms. Thank you.